Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone, especially to Madam Shamila. Okay, first of all, my name is Sofia binti Marzuki. My matric number is 253097. Okay, so this recording video is as the individual assignment, which is the review article journal, which titled The Impact of the Human Resource Intervention on Work-Life Balance, a study on Indian IT sector. Okay, so first of all, this article journal is written by Ansu Maling, Penda and Chandan Kumar Sahu in 2017. Basically, this article journal is focused on how the human resource intervention that can help the employees in Indian IT sectors to increase their work-life balance. For your information, the work-life balance is the ability to meet your work and family obligation as well as other non-work and create professional to be active, inspired and dedicated. Okay, work-life balance also is the balanced position where enjoyment, happiness and good functioning occur both at work and at home. Okay, from this article journal, it also mentioned about the several issues that related to the work-life balance. There are three issues that mentioned by the author. Okay, first issue is the Indian IT professional have faced the situation like a pressure due to the better performance and productivity that allows them to be more competent and efficient in their work environment. From this issue, we can see that as a professional, they need to ensure that the product quality is preserved, and as a result, they need to manage the life success required to overcome the personal life conflict. Okay, thus HR intervention is needed as maybe can create as an incentive or maybe they can value the employees' work. For the second issue is about the non-allocation of work faced by the Indian IT professional. From this issue, as we know, the proper distribution of resources is the building blocks to successful completion. Okay, although the professional workers are often unable to run properly in the situation of a small budget where there is no qualified and skilled individual to perform different tasks. Thus, HR intervention is required to ensure that the employees can schedule allocation before the job begins, meaning that half of the job is completion. Last issue is the Indian IT professional is facing long hours of work. Okay, from this issue, it might cause the employees who are working overtime suffer with value emotional, physical and social consequences. We also know that long hours of work could lead to exhaustion, tiredness and lack of attention. And of course, the more hours someone works, the less time they will need to spend with their family and the social life. Thus, HR department intervention are required to emphasize more on providing general working time regulation. Okay, next we go through the findings part. From the findings of article journals, there are three derived from only three factors such as training and development, teamwork and communication, and financial and non-financial rewards that can be strongly predictive to work-life balance. Okay, so now we move to the first result, which is about the training and development. HR intervention are essential in providing training to the employees that will improve employees' productivity. The training will give the employee a better understanding about their duties and establish confidence in their work. Next, the second finding is about the teamwork and communication. As we know, teamwork is essential due to the synergy generated from the diverse mind participating on the solution to the problem. Teamwork also can encourage the the communication among the employees about the given task, and it can prevent the employees from working the different directions. Thus, the HR intervention with the provision of teamwork and communication between the employees can achieve the work-life balance individually. Okay, the last finding is about the financial and non-financial rewards. As we know, with giving the employees the rewards, it can enhance the work-life balance to the employees, which is about the motivation. It can increase the motivation to the individual of the employees. It also can boost the performance and also the productivity, which is when the employees are motivated, they can do the work well. For example, which is giving the salary increase fairly extent, they receive the fair payment, or they also can receive the appreciation when they are doing a job in a well task. To conclude this video of the article journal, the HR intervention is help maintain the work-life balance towards the Indian IT professionals with the HR intervention. From the result, it shows that the three categories or the three factors is by the HR interventions is can influence or it can increase the work-life balance of the employees in Indian IT professional, which is training and development, teamwork and communication, and also financial and non-financial rewards. So these three interventions by the HR, it can boost the performance towards the employees in Indian IT professional. So that's all from me. Hope you can understand what is the HR intervention that can boost the performance of the organization in this industry. So that's all, and thank you.